So you want to note the difference between 2 points, that vector minus vector. Now, first of all, I will show you how to get it, then I will explain why you need it. So for getting it, just drag a pin from a vector pin and type minus or subtract, and it will show up like this. Now you can add as many pin as you like, but for now we are going to leave it as it be in the screen. Now for it, I'm taking the get actor location, and for enemy location, I'm taking 000 because we don't have an enemy. You know how good we are. So we now it gives you the direction from one location to another, enemy to player, just to key it how you know where something is in relation to something else. Now it's useful for aiming projectile, chasing the player, positioning particles at a relative spot, and basically anytime one thing needs to point at another. So it's super useful node, and as you can see on the screen as well, as we are going far away from that 000, it's increasing and decreasing as we move closer to it. So it's super useful node, as I already told you and show you. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.